All right, so my first pass went really well. Pulled out a lot of rocks. I think now I'm gonna take a landscape rake and try to rake up all the big rocks. Do a second pass, drop the tines a little lower, and this time I'm gonna run the tines in reverse. Try to really mix that stuff up, pull up any other rocks that I might have missed on the first pass. And then we missed some patches through here with the machine kind of pulling one direction or another. But so far, I think it's coming out great. So I am done with the tiller for now. Home Depot says there's a cleaning fee if you don't return it clean. So I'm gonna take the hose, give it a good scrub down, pop it in the garage, and since I have the pickup truck, I'm gonna go pick up some topsoil from a local landscape supply company. So the landscape supply company that I was going to buy the topsoil from happened to be closed. So instead, I went to Lowe's and picked up some PVC piping for the sprinkler system we're going to install, as well as some timber for the raised vegetable beds that we're going to be putting in the backyard in that back far corner.